Okay, I got the carb on, manifold on. I've got the electric fuel pump on. Let it pump up. I'm going to get some fuel up in here before I try to fire it. Okay, there's fuel in the carburetor now. So, that's a good sign. Hopefully it's not flooding. I'm going to see what happens here. See what happens when it warms up. That's my probably about as far as I can go. I haven't changed the plugs yet or the plug wires. I haven't been able to get the idle way low. I'm still running about 580 to 600. About it for now.